Hello, my name is Misha, and in this tutorial I show you how to work with my project Christmas Typography. Sorry for my English, it's not very good, but I hope you understand me. Okay, open the project. Here are two versions of project, monocolor and multicolor. Let's start from monocolor. Okay, at first we need to replace logo. Load your logo, open logo composition, hide this, drop it here, little bit scale down. Okay, now logo is replaced, very easy. Then open text. Here you can see that there are 4 sentences. This is first sentence. Open it. Replace text. You can write here your name of your friends or someone else. Fonts that I use, you can find. You can open this picture fonts, and you see all fonts that I use. For start, Dear John Doe, I use Lorena font. It's not standard font, so you need to download it from here. In a readme file you can find links for all fonts. Okay, Lorena, you can make it bold or not. Here is bold, maybe. Okay, then you need to change all other texts, change them fonts, and if you want you can change words in these all sentences. Okay, the last sentence is your web address or any text that you want, or you can hide it and it would not be showed. Okay, when you edit your all texts, it's not it's simple. You can edit colors in control folder. Open colors, click here for lock monitor with this comp. Open color, open effect controls, select this layer, and you can change colors of background. This is first 3 colors are colors of background. Okay, show you. You can make it more reddish, for example. This is color of addition things like this toy or birds. Oh, sorry. You can see birds become green, and this is color of fonts and all other things. Yeah, you can see the font become blue. When you change colors, you can work with snow and noise. Look here again, open this comp, select control, and you can show snow or hide it. You can see that snow become hide. You can make it black or white. You can show if you see that here is some noise, and you can hide it or make it white. That's all controls of my project, and I think that's all. Just add music in Final Comp, and you can render it. Let's open multicolor project. Here all the same, replace your logo, replace all text, they are similar as in previously project, but here in controls, in colors you have more colors. Make this com block monitor and you can change all fonts. Make it blue for example, move here, make orange green, and you can replace all colors if you want. Snow and noise work similar as in previously project. All the difference between these two projects just in colors, so it's not too hard to change this all. That's all. Add music and render it too. I hope you understand me and this tutorial were useful for you. If you have some questions, ask me in my profile page on Video Hive. Thank you for purchasing this project. Goodbye. Merry Christmas.